So as you go through life, there's one thing you should always be on the lookout for: inspiration. So one of the things my family and I really love to do is go to the museum. See, we're all like big kids. We're like really big children. So we go to the museum and we have fun and we're silly and we laugh. And that's what we did the other day. While I was at the museum, we were in the dinosaur exhibit and there was these really cute baby T-Rexes.
We have a T-Rex.
They were little, they were cute, and I knew I had to sketch them. So I sketched them. I'm not really sure why I'm talking like this. Maybe it's more dramatic. Maybe I'm just a dum-dum. Let's get to some art. Oh, and one more thing. After the sketches, stay tuned because I'm going to show you some photos and a few little videos and clips of how we do it at the museum. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so yeah, this is the cute little T-Rex. And while drawing him, I mean, it feels like I'm just drawing a bird. I mean, obviously it looks very bird-like. And it really makes sense when you're drawing it though, because, you know, since I've been drawing birds, this was what it felt like. I mean, literally you can draw wings on this thing and it'd be a bird. But actually, I really like drawing birds. They're not that easy. Excuse me. At least the way that I draw them, because I don't know, I find beaks to be a bit difficult, the way that you kind of manipulate it to make them smile and things like that. It can be a little tricky, especially for shortening. And this little guy, without even thinking about it, he wound up looking like the baby T-Rex in Jurassic Park 2. This one, I wanted to do him a little angrier. You know, just to try to work that out with the face. Sometimes if I don't get it, then I'll just kind of give up, and I'll alter it or sort of change the theme. Yeah, I think I gave up and went with a little easier expression. Even though I still had to work out how the mouth would be and how the face would be. But it's pretty fun. I really love learning a new creature, and then, you know, these are all just like, you know, without looking at reference, just trying to, you know, remember and look at the original reference and just figure out how the shapes on his face would be and how his anatomy would be. I decided to stick with the angry face. So I finally got it. This one looks pretty good. He almost reminds me of a Skeksis, which I love. I really should draw more of those guys. And there's our baby dinosaur. So I don't know if you guys knew, but I actually have an assistant that helps me with all my videos. And she's actually here right now helping me with my voiceover. So like I said, we're all like really big kids. We like to have fun, and we took some videos and some photos at the museum. And this next piece is just going to be for those of you who are interested in not only my art, but want to see a little bit of like what my life is like and how we do it at the museum. But we have a good time. We have fun. It's really silly. We like to laugh. Yeah, so this is some other fun stuff from the museum. The nature of color. That's my dad, pretending like he's Swamp Thing.
Yeah, it's just started.
You look like a rainbow ninja.
Trying my best to remember what I learned from Kung Fu class.
That's really awesome. Wow, Dave, how Nice.
And I have no idea what I'm doing.
Whoa.
Oh, there's my dad again. This thing reminds me of the Predator movies. Want some candy? Anyone who's seen Predator 2 will know what that is referencing. They had really cool bugs and reptiles. My mom was so hyped because of this T-Rex, so I had to take a video. I'm the family videographer, so if they can't get a good video or something, then they know to just ask me. That's me hanging out with the T-Rex. So much cool stuff in there. And it was pretty empty. It's the whale. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Be sure to give me a like and a subscribe. Check me out on Instagram at DrugFreeDave. And as always, keep drawing, and I'll see you in the next video. Baby what? Baby T, baby T, baby T, baby T, what? Baby T, baby T, baby T, baby T, what? Baby T. Here we go again.